Hello to our Facebook friends out there. This is Schein Chats. My name is Joe Cavaretta, and we are coming live from Nashville, Tennessee at our national sales meeting. And sitting with me tonight is Dr. Peterson from Community Dental Care, and they were the winners of the Henry Schein Cares Gold Medal tonight. So Dr. Peterson, congratulations.
Oh, thank you so much, yes.
How does it feel to win the award?
Quite overwhelmed and very excited. We feel very honored indeed. Truthfully, I didn't know we were going to win the gold.
Right.
We thought we were going to win something today because, there were three, but the goal was quite unexpected.
Well, congratulations, and I had a few questions for you.
Yes.
So how did you get started? What was the vision?
When I started our dental practice, actually, I wanted to become a missionary when I graduated from the dental school. And but when I started to apply for the mission field, they said that since my husband and I had debt, so they were not going to accept us in the field.
Mm-hmm.
So we consulted with 15 professors and senior dentists, and they told me 14 out of 15 said, please don't do it, you're going to fail, face down. You are a minority and a woman. And but one of the professors said, no, you are sitting on a gold mine, go dig. And I didn't quite know what he meant. So when I started the practice, I said, okay, Lord, I want to be a dentist for the underserved or for the poor, and I eat noodle with you. So we went to the bank, and thankfully one of the banks trusted us and gave us $23,000 to start one chair.
Okay.
And when we started, we realized that the community really needed us, and we grew 10 times so
Wow.
far. And so, but it's unfortunate we had not known Henry Schein before, and for the 12th time, the expansion would be like from scratch, like from building from ground up all the way to supply all the equipment. And the thing that was really quite, we were very fortunate that we ran into Henry Schein representative, and his name was Jeff, and he was so faithful, just a neat guy.
Yes.
And he started to introduce me to several other Henry Schein representatives, and lo and behold, when they found out that we were going to build an 18 dental chairs, they would just jump in left and right to help. I said, where have they been when I was, expanding the 11? Because what they have done was just to prevent us to make big mistake in the plan.
Yeah.
And that actually saving us like thousands and thousands of dollars mistake for the future. In addition to that, they also said, you're going to be using these as teaching institute too, besides serving the underserved. So why don't you plan to add these other electrical here and there for the future? It's only $500 now, but if you do it later, it's going to be much money.
Sure.
So very thankful. And then on the dental supplies, folks, led by Kathleen and Andrea, Samantha, Elizabeth, those guys, and Tim, and Jeff, I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm.
When I talked with them, I was surprised how much we can save through Schein. So I'm very happy. So that's how the dental clinic started.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And I heard that you're working on your 5th clinic now?
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes, that 5th clinic is our 12th expansion.
That's fantastic.
Yes.
Now, are they all around Maplewood area, or are they all over the place?
All over the place.
Yeah.
We started with one chair, and then we expanded in St. Paul to 16 chairs, but in incremental. And by the way, would be my advice. If my colleague would like to start something, start small, and then you can build upon your experience. And then when you make a little bit more profit, and then you can just keep on adding. So we went from 1 chair to 3, from 3 to 5, from 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, and then 11 to 16 in one location.
Wow.
And then when we expand, then we expand to Maplewood, which is an old library for Maplewood.
Okay.
And we put 23 chairs, and we are adding 7 more at that location.
Wow.
And then we expanded to Rochester, Minnesota, with 6 chairs, and by 3 years, we had 5,500 patients waiting to be seen. So that was the reason why we did that 5th expansion to 18 chairs.
Yeah.
And another location is in the north of Minneapolis, that is Robbinsdale.
So tell me about the population that you serve.
Oh, mixture.
Yeah.
Mostly recent immigrants have limited English speaking skill, so it does take a longer time for our team to deliver care. Okay. Challenging would be immigrants from all over the world and underserved Caucasian, American Indian, African American, you name them, there's a mixture. Yeah. Some people nickname us the United Nations Dental Clinic, so that's good too.
And how big do you want to grow? We're at 5, are we going past 5?
I really believe that we can expand. Strategically, I think that we should expand more into the rural areas. Okay. Because the farmers and those folks also need dental care, and they happen to be underserved as well. So we are studying right now to expand up north of Minnesota. Yes.
That's fantastic.
Thank you.
So what would the message be for anybody who is looking to serve the community the way you are? What would you say to them?
Well, I would say that you are the healthcare professional. Give the best to your patients, just like the best care that you can deliver. I think Mr. Ford said that in $1 in which your customer gives you, 5 ways to give them more than $1. So I thought that was a really nice motto from Mr. Ford. Yes.
That's great. That's great. So the award you won tonight, how will that help you carry out your mission?
First of all, I would say that it is such a huge boost to our, what should I say, morale, or I mean, it was like astonishing to be knowing how huge Henry Schein is, and this is a national event, and we won the gold medal. I think that it would be almost like the goal in which we strive forward to even serve better our community, and I am just very grateful.
That's fantastic.
For today's event, yes.
Well, I met several people tonight, or I know several people who, once they found out you won this award, couldn't speak more highly of you. So Andrea Height, Kathleen Titus, Elizabeth Ream, all just said what a wonderful person you are and how kind-hearted you are. So that's fantastic.
Well, Joe, I must say that it's unfortunate that I'm the one who are in the front, almost like the face of the company. However, the people who are really making this successful are our team. I think that we have 248. We have 248 staff, 38 dentists, and so we really work together as a good team. We are like family.
Well, I couldn't be happier to hear that you won the award tonight. It was a pleasure watching you and your team members on stage, and just getting to know you a little bit here. There's no more deserving individual and health center to win this award. So I just want to say congratulations again.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very kindly.
It was a pleasure. It was a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.